Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 6 video for building a rock paper scissors game in Python code. In the last time we almost done the project. I only show you in this video that we are going to build a little bit upgrade on that code, and that is building if the person are. I will show you in the detail in the code, but I will explain a little bit. It is we're going to do if the person want to play or not. We ask the user, and then if he say yes, we are going to continue the code. If he say no, we're going to break the code, and that's what we are going to do. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back with the code. As you can see here, we almost done everything, but in this video we only just put if the person want to play or not, and if he says yes, we will going to continue the code, but if he says no, we will going to break the code. And to do that, we need to create a while loop. What we want to do is we want to loop through every code until the person are saying no. So we can do that by tap these codes to have space of a tap space. That's why I call it. And then we can create a while loop here, and then everything under the while loop going to consider like it is under the while loop, so the code going to considering that, so we don't have to worry about that. So we can say okay, we can say while, and then true, and we're going to continue this until something's happen, until some code saying to break this up. And let's run this one, and let's say 1 times, and let's say R. You see it printed out here it printed out how much we won and we lost. And as you can see here also, it says again, welcome to rock paper scissors game. I think we don't want that, but yes, we can just ignore this one by doing this. Let's just cut and paste under the print, and I'm going to delete the extra line. Okay, so let's just run again and let's see how it look like. Okay, let's say it 1 times again, and then just R, and it's good. No more the no more this one going to print it out again. This is just asking us how many times we want to play, just because it is this code is under the while loop, so that's why it's asking me. It's asked, and this is not printed out no more because it is not under the while loop no more. So that's why it is the output is looks like this. And okay, let's add something. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to ask the person if he want to play or not, and we can ask the question under the while loop, and we can say play again. I just say pg play again, just randomly. Okay, and then we can say input do you want to play? Yes and or no. And then pair it, and then we can create a new line. And then also I show you this trick here when wait, okay, I think, yep, here I show you here if the persons are not inputting the if the person are not inputting the correct one or not, we can loop through until the person is given us the right character we want him to put in this code, and we will going to do that again. If the person is not typing y or n, we will going to ask him again, and we can say if pg does that work if you use is in do I have to say is? No, I just only use in. Okay, we can say if pg in n y and just to readable, the code to be readable, that's why I just put y first, and we can break, but we need other while loop, so we need to have a while loop. Okay, while true. Okay, break or print. We want to print out n y or n, put y or n. We can just give him a very hard word, just a hard message to him to recognize, or she or her, I don't know, whoever use this program code. Okay, that's we can do, and then after we get the user input, we want to also do something. If the pg is y, we want to loop through, we don't want to do anything. But if the user input is n, we want to break this while loop, and then we want to finish the loop the loop, and then we want to done the program. We can use some library by called I think it is called system, or yeah, I think system, and then we can use system.exist. if I'm not wrong, but we can use that. But to not get this project very complex, we can just use break like this one we used, and I'll show you how can we do that. We can say if wait, okay, pg equal to n. If the person's input n, we want to break, else it will going to continue. But after it continuing, as you can see here, there is no space here. I mean, there is no new line here, so we can get a new line by just doing print print okay, yeah, print oops, and we can just print nothing, and then it will going to create any line for us. And let's test it out. And then also this is the final part, because we can add and adjust many things, but as the beginner project, it is a good started project, and we have 48 line of code. I hope it is you get you get some knowledge that you doesn't know before. And now let's test out the project. Okay, let's delete this one and let's see our final project. Okay, here you can see welcome to rock paper scissors game, and how many times do you want to play. Just for now, just going to say 5, and put R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissor, and I'll use scissor. Okay, if you watch the last video or this part of video, I so many times lost. I don't know, just randomly choice, and my luck is very low. Okay, let's use R again. I lost, P last tie game. Okay, and finally tie game. Okay, it also printed out you won 0 times, you lost 3 times, and you tied 2 times. Do you want to play? Okay, one thing only to adjust something here. Okay, okay, I don't know why, but it doesn't create a new line for us. Okay, that's because not because this one, that's because we did not create a new line here. And for now only, for last times, let's run this one. Okay, 5 times. I only choose R for this time. Okay, tie game. You lost again, you lost. I think there's something wrong with the program. I don't know. I think I won before in some video, if you watch that, but I think the code is good. Okay, it say, do you wanna play? Yes or no. We can say some random number H, I mean number character. Okay, put Y or N is, as you can see, it asks us to put Y or N. Okay, that's a good thing to consider if the person is not putting anything. If let's say y, okay, you see it continue doing the code again. So let's say 1 times r again, tie game. Okay, do you want to play again? No. And it's ended up the code, and this is our final code. I mean project looks like, and I see you guys in the next project video. Goodbye.